All right, let's talk about adding polynomials. So our directions are to simplify and write each answer in standard form. So when we add polynomials, we are adding like terms, essentially. So a like term is something that has the exact same variable and the exact same exponent. So for instance, x squared and 4x squared are like terms, but they are not like terms with 2x because 2x does not have a exponent of 2. So those are not like terms, but x squared and 4x squared are. Now this x squared has a 1 in front of it, and the 1x squared and the 4x squared are both positive, so we're going to add those coefficients together, so we get 1 plus 4, which is 5x squared. And then we'll go in standard form, so the next thing after squared is to the first term, so we have that 2x. I do not see another term with an x, since that's by itself. We're just going to write it in our answer here by itself. And then the last guy are our constants. So we have plus 3 and plus 5. Those are like terms because they don't have an x at all. So we're going to do 3 plus 5, which is 8. And right there, my friends, is my answer in standard form.